Hello everyone and welcome back to another vlog. So as Diwali is nearby, so it's time to do our festival shopping. So today we've come to Chickpet, so let's go. So you can reach Chickpet through metro, you will get a direct metro. So this is the best place to do all your festival shopping. And you get everything in reasonable price, and they also have jewelry. In the roadside they keep all the jewelry stuff which is very reasonable. And I've already uploaded Chickpet part 1 and part 2. Do watch it. I'm gonna drop down the link in the description box. And Chickpet is also famous for its lights. You get beautiful decorative lights. So here we enter the main road. This is the main entrance of Chickpet. So this place is always crowded. The best place to shop in Chickpet is the small stores. Though the stores are small, you get beautiful sarees there. So make sure you visit small stores in Chickpet. So you get all the sarees in cheaper price. And they also have beautiful fabrics over here. When compared to other big stores, the fabric price is very affordable over here. So all other stores take fabric from here and they sell it in other price which is double the cost. So you can take fabric and make your saree, lehenga or anything you want. So you have to bargain a lot in Chickpet. So if they say it is 2000, you have to bargain it at least for 1000. So that is the perfect deal over here. So as you can see, this is how it looks. They have plenty sarees on the floor. So they have silk sarees, fancy sarees or kanchi pattu. They have everything over here. All you need to do is have some patience and then search. So right now we are going to Sridhar Silk Palace. So in that shop you get everything for reasonable price. So this is the entrance. So let's go inside and check out what all they have. So they had many beautiful sarees over here and the price was very affordable in the store. So as Diwali is nearby, so today we have come to do some saree shopping in Chickpet and they are displaying us few sarees. So let's see what all they have. So this is what we liked and we actually wanted a different color. So mom wanted this in yellow color, so that is what we are searching over here. So the saree was very beautiful. And coming to price, so the price in the store starts from rupees 500. So you have to search. So normal saree starts from rupees 300 to 500 and the other sarees price starts from rupees 1000. So you have to search. They also have wedding sarees and the price starts from rupees 10,000. So we were searching for the yellow saree and the saree was on the mannequin. So there it is. So we're taking it out. So this is what we liked. So this is in mustard yellow and maroon color. This is a very beautiful color and the combination is awesome. So if you have any weddings or function, so this is the best saree. So this shop is directly opposite to Golden Silks and Sarees. So Golden Silks and Sarees, I've uploaded the video in part 2. So do check it out in the description box. So this is what we are getting it from the store. So let's go and pay the bill. So this is what we bought for our Diwali shopping in Chickpet, and I hope you all love this vlog. Thank you so much for watching this. We'll meet you soon on the next vlog. Until then, take care and stay safe. Bye bye.